Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you are new here, make sure to hit on that subscribe button and also hit on that notification bell icon so that you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can reset your Deepseek password. It's super simple, so without any further ado, let's get started with the video. First, open up your Deepseek app on your device. Once you're inside the login page, you'll see a link that says forget password. Click on it. Next, you will be asked to enter the email address associated with your Deepseek account. Make sure it's the correct one because this is where you will receive the reset link. Once you have typed in your email, click onto the send code. A pop-up icon will appear in order to confirm that you are not a robot. After that, you should get a password reset email from Deepseek within a few minutes. Go to your email. Now copy the code and paste it to the home page of the Deepseek and click on continue. Now a new interface will be open asking you to enter a new password that's secure and easy for you to remember. Make sure it's strong by including a mix of letters, numbers and symbols. Once you have typed in your new password, click on save or reset password. And there you go, you have reset your Deepseek password and now can log in with your new one. If this video helped you, make sure to hit on that like, share and subscribe button. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.